Hello and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew, and today we're going to do something a little different, kind of a fusion little deal I put together. I'm going to be preparing South Indian black dal and pork stir fry. Let's get to it. Okay, I've got some ghee heating up in the saute pan. I'm going to add some brown mustard seeds. They're going to start popping like they are right now. That's a good sign. That's what we want. There we go. Now they're really popping. Whoa. I'm going to add some curry leaves. Now I'm going to add half a sliced onion. Okay, I'm going to add some spices. I'm going to add cumin, coriander, turmeric, and black pepper. We're going to balloon the spices for just a couple minutes. I'm going to add the pork. The pork has already been cooked, so this is just going to be a warm fry. I'm going to add the already cooked black dal. And we're just going to fold this in. Okay, I'm going to kill the heat. I have some of my garam masala, which we're going to add this in. This is one of the finishing touches. Some black pepper. And some rice vinegar. We're just going to add just a little bit. Let's give this just a gentle stir. On to the next step. Okay, we're all set with the South Indian black dal and pork stir fry. Let's take a look. And here's the final presentation. Again, the South Indian black dal and pork stir fry. Thank you for joining me here in the Casual Chef's Kitchen. If you liked this recipe, you can find it and many more on the Casual Chef website. Have fun cooking.